Welcome to Traveling Kangaroo. Today, we are hopping over to Spain, a country known for its delightful paella. Originating from the heart of Valencia, paella is more than just a dish. It's a celebration of Spanish culture and heritage. Born out of a need to utilize readily available ingredients, paella has evolved into a culinary masterpiece that is as diverse as the Spanish landscape itself. The base of this iconic dish is a delicious melody of flavors, starting with the rice. Infused with the rich color and aroma of saffron, the rice is then mixed with a variety of ingredients. From the succulent seafood caught off Spain's vast coastline to the tender rabbit and chicken, each ingredient adds a unique layer to the dish. But let's not forget the vegetables. They bring in a fresh crunch, balancing out the richness of the meat. No journey to Spain is complete without savoring a plate of authentic paella. From the delicious paella, we hop to Spain's breathtakingly beautiful beaches. The Spanish coastline is a tapestry of golden sands and rugged cliffs, each with its own unique allure. Costa del Sol, aptly named the Coast of the Sun, offers miles of sun-kissed beaches, perfect for those seeking to soak up the sun. Then, there's Costa Brava, with its wild beauty, rocky cliffs, and secluded coves, a stark contrast to the gentle landscape of Costa del Sol. But Spain's beaches are not just for lounging. They are a playground for water sports enthusiasts. From surfing the waves in Tarifa to scuba diving in the clear waters of the Mediterranean, there's an activity for every adventurer. And for those who prefer a more leisurely pace, a simple boat ride or a paddleboarding session might just do the trick. Spain's beaches, a paradise for sun worshippers and water sports enthusiasts alike. From the sandy beaches, let's dive into the rich linguistic diversity of Spain. This country is a melting pot of languages, each one a treasure trove of cultural significance. The most widely spoken language, Castilian Spanish, resonates with the rhythmic cadences of a culture steeped in history. Then there's Catalan, the language of Catalonia, a region fiercely proud of its unique identity. This language carries echoes of the Mediterranean, a testament to Catalonia's coastal location. Further west, in the lush green landscapes of Galicia, you'll hear the lilting tones of Galician. This language shares many similarities with Portuguese, revealing a shared history between these neighboring regions. In the northern Basque country, the Basque language, or Euskara, stands apart. Unlike any other language in Spain, or indeed Europe, its origins remain a mystery, adding an intriguing layer to Spain's linguistic landscape. Language, a vibrant part of Spain's rich cultural tapestry. From the language scene, we transition to Spain's controversial tradition of bullfighting. Now, bullfighting isn't just a sport in Spain, it's a spectacle of art and skill, of man versus beast, deeply rooted in Spanish history and culture. The tradition dates back to ancient times, becoming a popular public spectacle in the late 18th century. It's seen as a demonstration of bravery, skill, and agility, a dance with danger that is as much a performance as it is a contest. Yet it's not without its controversies. Many people across the globe, and even within Spain itself, view bullfighting as a cruel and barbaric practice, raising ethical concerns about animal welfare. The debate rages on, with passionate arguments from both sides. Yet, regardless of where one stands on the issue, there's no denying the significance of bullfighting in shaping Spain's cultural identity. Bullfighting, a tradition deeply ingrained in Spain's history and culture. Leaving the bull ring, we step into the passionate world of flamenco. This captivating art form, a blend of music, singing, and dance, has its roots deeply embedded in the Andalusian region of Spain. Born from the anguish and soul of the Romani people, flamenco has evolved into a mesmerizing spectacle of raw emotion and rhythmic precision. Every stomp, every strum, every clap is a word in the language of flamenco, a language that speaks directly to the heart. The dancers, with their fierce expressions and swirling dresses, tell tales of love, loss, and joy, their movements as compelling as any spoken story. The music, marked by the haunting cry of the flamenco guitar and the soulful voice of the singer, drives the narrative, creating a soundscape that is as evocative as it is unforgettable. The vibrant costumes, a whirl of reds, oranges, and yellows, add an additional layer of intensity, their colors reflecting the fiery spirit of this iconic Spanish tradition. Flamenco, the heartbeat of Spain's vibrant culture. From the flamenco stage, we move to Spain's tantalizing tapas bars. Tapas, a symphony of bite-sized delights, are an integral part of Spanish culture. These small yet flavorful dishes are more than just food. They're a social event, a cherished tradition that's as much about companionship as it is about cuisine. Imagine a bustling tapas bar, where locals and travelers alike gather, sharing stories and laughter over plates of patatas bravas, albondigas, and gambas al ajillo. There's a tapa for every palate, from the simplicity of pan con tomate to the complexity of pulpo a la gallega. Whether it's the crispy calamari rings of Andalusia, the spicy chorizo of the Basque country, or the hearty tortilla española of Madrid, each region brings its own unique flavor to the tapas table. Served alongside a cool glass of sangria or a crisp Spanish beer, tapas are a feast for the senses, a celebration of Spanish life and cuisine. Tapas, a delicious Spanish tradition that brings people together. From the tapas bars, we head to the Thrilling San Fermin festival. Every July, the ancient city of Pamplona transforms into a stage for one of the world's most electrifying events, the running of the bulls. The festival, named after Saint Fermin, the patron saint of Pamplona, has been a Spanish tradition since the 13th century. Over time, it has evolved into a week-long celebration of courage, camaraderie, and of course, caution. The real spectacle is the Encierro, the morning bull run, where hundreds of daredevils race alongside 6 bulls charging through the narrow, cobbled streets. The air buzzes with adrenaline, fear, and excitement, creating an intoxicating atmosphere that is both thrilling and terrifying. It's not just the runners who are drawn to this event. Millions of spectators from around the globe flock to Pamplona each year, captivated by the raw energy and drama. San Fermin, a heart-pounding spectacle that draws thrill-seekers from around the world. From Pamplona's bustling streets, we journey to the majestic La Sagrada Familia in Barcelona. Rising high above the cityscape, this architectural marvel is a testament to the creative genius of Antoni Gaudí. His ambitious vision, a blend of Gothic and curvilinear Art Nouveau forms, has left an indelible mark on Barcelona's skyline. La Sagrada Familia began its journey to the heavens in the late 19th century and remains a work in progress to this day. A marvel of intricate design and stunning detail, it is a testament to Gaudí's innovative spirit and his love for nature, which influenced his unique architectural style. A UNESCO World Heritage Site, the Basilica is a beacon of Catalonia's rich history and cultural identity. It attracts millions of visitors each year who marvel at the stunning facade, the intricate interior, and Gaudí's visionary design. La Sagrada Familia, a testament to Gaudí's genius and Catalonia's proud history. From Barcelona, we travel to Granada, home to the Enchanting Alhambra. A testament to architectural brilliance and a beacon of the rich history of Spain, the Alhambra stands proud and majestic. It's not just a palace, it's a fortress, a city within a city, with its lush gardens and intricate carvings telling tales of the Nasrid dynasty that once reigned here. The Alhambra is a UNESCO World Heritage Site, a title that underlines its global significance and the need to preserve its beauty for generations to come. It's a symbol of the multicultural history of Spain, a fusion of Islamic, Jewish, and Christian influences that shaped Andalusian culture. Each corner of the Alhambra whispers secrets of the past. Each stone is a page in the history of Spain. It's a place that captivates the senses, an architectural jewel that continues to shine, inspiring awe and admiration. The Alhambra, an architectural jewel in the heart of Andalusia. From the Alhambra, we toast to Spain's liquid gold, its wine and sangria. Spain's sun-kissed vineyards are a testament to the country's rich winemaking tradition, a heritage spanning thousands of years. Whether it's a crisp Verdejo from Rueda, a robust Rioja, or a sparkling cava from Catalonia, the diversity of Spanish wines is as varied as the landscapes from which they hail. And then there's the sangria, a festive concoction of wine, fruit, and a splash of brandy. This refreshing drink, often enjoyed on a warm afternoon or a balmy evening, is a celebration of Spanish joie de vivre. Spain's wine and sangria are not just beverages, they are an integral part of the Spanish lifestyle, a symbol of hospitality and celebration. So whether you're toasting a special occasion or simply enjoying a leisurely meal, remember to raise your glass to Spain's liquid gold. So here's to Spain, a country of rich traditions, vibrant culture, and unforgettable experiences. Don't forget to subscribe and visit our website travelingkangaroo.com for more exciting travel content.